All right, it's our rainy season. You know, we've been getting a lot of rain. And, you know, I put all this stuff together for you guys for demonstrations. This container represents the walls of a clay trench, okay? So we set our inline basin like some really, really poor French drains that don't work worth a crap. You have to put inlet basins in with them. It's just, you know, some more, you know, proof that their systems work so poorly, and then they got to defend an inlet basin when really it's a system that's a piece of garbage, okay? But look at the water it leaves behind. Look at that. So that's and you know what? And I picked the shortest, smallest, shallowest basin there is. And that's NDS's 6-inch inline. The others leave even more water than that. So here's high octane. You know, this rain's coming down night and day. You know, it's our rainy season, and boy, the storm's been tracking right to us. Okay, so here's your peanut pipe. Yeah, you know, there's quite a bit of water in this. And there's no way the sun is going to get to that and dry out that bottom of that trench, okay? That's going to be left behind for tree roots and shrub roots. And it doesn't take long. And your system's garbage. And you're calling the same guy who put it in, so some chuck in a truck shows up, and he's jetting and charging you for roto-rootering and all kinds of expensive services, and they love it because they just get to pull up in their van with no equipment, no ditch switches, no track hose, no nothing. And, you know, they got their helper, who's probably the guy that was on the bar stool the night before, sitting next to them with them, and they're taking your money because why? Because they built you a system designed for maintenance, and they love that. They do. They really do. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to show you that. High octane, put it on the fabric. Put it on the bottom of the trench so that your trench doesn't hold water, because trees love when you leave water in your trenches. And that will be the only thing that'll take out a good French drain system. All right, everybody, until the next video.